right here from Barbara's Force-Free Animal Training with some advice on how to stop your budgies from fighting. Now, whatever kind of parrot you have, whether it's a budgie, a cockatiel, or an Amazon parrot or macaw, it's no fun when your parrots fight. There's reasons why they fight though. Usually it has to do with competition over resources. So the first thing you want to look at is there enough feeding places for your birds? Maybe they're fighting over food. Sometimes it's because one of them has a girlfriend or a boyfriend and they're pretty close to that particular mate, and so they're going to drive all the others away. If you see that happening, you might actually need to separate the pairs so that they don't feel competitive towards mates. If the space is too small, sometimes your parrots will fight, so make sure you have lots of space. And of course, if you have wonderful enrichment in your cage, which I hope you do, your parrots might compete over that enrichment. So make sure you have lots of different areas where your parrots can go to enjoy their enrichment and not have to compete with their cage mates.